Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Square with Wix, a simple process that takes just a few minutes. This integration allows you to process payments seamlessly through your Wix site, which is a real game changer for any small business or online store. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your Wix dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout, as knowing where everything is will make managing your website much easier. Next, locate the menu and click on Settings. In this section, you'll find all the configurations you can adjust for your site. Look for Accept Payments and click on it. This is where we'll set up the Square integration. Make sure your location settings are correct. Square integration currently supports users in the United States, so double-check your region. Once verified, scroll down and click See More Payment Options. Here you'll find a list of supported payment methods. Select Square and then click Connect. A series of prompts will guide you through linking your Square account with Wix. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into Square and authorize the connection. Once completed, Square will be added as a payment option on your Wix site, allowing you to accept credit card payments easily. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Square with Wix, making payment processing simple for your customers and helping streamline your business operations. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.